He used a hammer to remove the components from the circuit boards. These solder points contain gold or copper, but in low amounts. He needed to heat and refine them using a dry pot. For safety, he chose to heat them in a pit furnace, reaching temperatures over 1,000 degrees. This quickly melted the gold and other metals. He then took the dry pot out of the furnace and poured it into a nearby mud pit to cool. Next, he made another mud pit, surrounded it with bricks, and placed charcoal inside, lighting it with waste paper. He used a blower to raise the flame temperature even higher. He then put the cooled metal into the pit to refine and increase the metal's purity. After refining, he quickly cooled it with water. He then put the metal into a bucket, added nitric acid to decompose it, and dissolved the impurities through a chemical reaction. Once dissolved, he poured out the solution containing copper and other impurities. Get a lump of sponge gold. He used paper to absorb the water from the sponge gold, then placed it in a small dry pot with borax to protect the gold from loss. He continuously heated the dry pot with a blowtorch. As the temperature rose, the metal liquid became clearer. He then poured the gold from the dry pot into a mold. After 4 hours of processing, he obtained this 8-gram gold bar from 80 pounds of components. What do you think of this refining method?